During the station, you are to assemble the bag valve mask en route to the call. First thing you want to do is make sure you have oxygen in your tank by putting the key on top and making sure you have 500 psi in it. Once it's on, go ahead and get out the debris out of there, leave it on for a couple seconds and turn it back off, laying it down to the side. You will then open up your bag valve mask, attaching your hose to the bag. There's a port at the bottom of it where you'll be plugging this into. You'll be also plugging it into your oxygen regulator. Turn your oxygen regulator to 15 liters and let it continue to flow. You'll then put your mask onto your bag valve. You're going to look for any rips, tears, or any defects in the bag. You also want to make sure that it works properly and the bag inflates. At this time, we will ask the examiner if we can turn off our oxygen. Now we'll move to me and my partner on the scene of unwitnessed cardiac arrest. Nobody's performed CPR. First thing I'm going to do is scene safety PSI for me and my partner. We come in. First thing I'm going to do, are you okay? You okay? Do a sternum rub, check for a pulse, look, listen, feel for any air, breathing, or circulation. If there's no pulse, I will then direct my partner to go ahead and start CPR. While he's doing CPR, I'm going to hit the knees on the patient.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Staying clear.
Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Attach defib pad. Don't touch patient.
Staying clear. Analyzing the patient.
Don't touch patient. Analyzing. Shock advised.
Shock advised. Please do 10
Don't touch patient.
compressions.
Rest.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Staying clear. I'm clear, you're clear, we're all clear. We're going to shock the patient.
Shock the liver.
Shock the liver.
Start CPR.
Start CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I'm going to measure apply.
14, 15, 16,
Put the
17,
opiate into the
18,
mannequin.
20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 30.
Ventilating the patient twice.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Continue
19, 20, 21,
CPR.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13,
Continue
14, 15,
CPR.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
We're going to do approximately 2 minutes of
2,
CPR
3,
or 5 cycles of
6,
CPR.
7,
At the 5th cycle, we're going to go ahead and stop CPR. We're going to switch roles and shock the patient. You want to stop now? So this time, the examiner is going to ask us to stop CPR. What we want to tell them is now we want to make sure we
Continue
shock the patient
CPR.
at least 3 times on scene or when no shock advised. We're going to transport to the nearest facility with an ALS intercept.